always close us. We are close. What's up, Robinsons? Munti ka na! Mukhang may nagkakamali na naman. Nasaan tayo, Kuya Matt? Nasaan tayo? Robinsons, Manila. Yeah. Kala ko may namagli na naman eh. Pakilala na tayo sa isa. Pakilala tayo sa isa. Muntik na. Hello everyone, I'm Teo, and you can also call me Mateo, not for short, but for long. And also, wait lang pahabol, you can also call me Mateo Cruz for longest. Sige. Sige sa akin. Hello po, I'm Justin Dialogue. You can call me JD or Justin. Wala, yun lang. Merong lang, so hello po everyone, I'm Jay Lawrence for long, and you can call me JL for short, and you can call me J for shortest, and you can call me for short. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Gab. You can call me Gab or G, but you can call me Rap.
Hindi ikaw yun. Hello po, I'm Haro. H-A-R-O. Not Haro. And definitely not hard. Thank you so much po. Hello everyone. Last po, I'm Yen, and you can call me Sir 930.
Bawal yun!
Ayun po, seryoso po. First of all, maraming salamat po, Robinsons Manila, for letting us perform here po. Marami po kaming hinanda, kaya excited na po kaming mapakita sa inyo. Yes. And syempre po, gusto rin po namin pasalamatan yung mga Sam and yung mga tao po na bumiyahe, nagbigay at naglaan po ng oras para pumunta ngayon dito. And syempre po, sa mga tao rin pong tumigil para lang po mapanood kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat po. So for those of you who are new, we are the boy group Plus on the SB Town. So we hope you guys enjoy performances, and sana after this you guys give us all your love and support. Thank you po.